Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to give demonstration on a student result management system project. Basically, I am just creating this project in JFrame in Netbeans. It's time to run this project. Run file. Now, here you can see that it having two modules. The first one is a student module and another one is admin module. In a student module, when we click on it, it moves to the next page. Here the user have to enter their roll numbers, or you can say that the student have to enter their roll numbers. I am entering a roll number which already exists in my database. Okay, search here. Here you can see that the details of user as well as marks you can see here, details, course name, branch name, name of that student, roll number, gender, father's name, and obtained marks by student in each subject. If any user not get more than 30 marks or less more than 30 marks, then here it shows fail in any subject. But this students get more than 30 marks in every subject, so it's showing pass. Let's see another user, another student. You can say like yeah. Here you can see that this user get 29 marks in physics 1, so that it here you can see that the fell. Okay, and here you can also see that the total marks obtained by the student. It back here, we see that registered roll number, but when we entered invalid roll number, look at what it's showing, that incorrect roll number message. Okay, in this way all about student module. Let's see about admin module. Here the admin have to log in because of security policies. Okay, like admin pass, password is pass. Okay, when we click on login, here you can see that add new student, insert new result, registered student, and all students result. Here first we are going to see already registered roll number. First, Sumit Kumar, father's name Anil Kumar. When we click on create, it already, this roll number already exists in our database. When we click on create, it shows the roll number is already exist. It means that roll number is already in use. So we are again, so we are removing this all and creating. After the changing roll number which are not exist in our database, then we click on create. Successfully updated. Okay, when we click on OK, here you can see that we can again insert new details. Now we are clicking on insert new result, like we are writing roll number of that student 005, like he obtained 34 marks, chemistry 55, 52, 70, 65, and we click on in save button. Successfully updated. And now you admin want to see the registered student, then you just need to click on registered student button. Here you can see that we have 1005 Sumit Kumar name and father's name Anil Kumar, and you can see here. Now again we are clicking on add student result. Here you also can see that 1005 34 55 42 70 and 65. It's all about admin module. Now we are moving to the student module to see that result here 1005. When we click on search button, here you can see that all details we are entered there, you can see here, and this is also not editable. You cannot edit this, like course, BTech, CSE, Sumit Kumar name, roll number, gender, father's name. It does not obtain less than 30 marks, so here you can see the pass with total marks. It's all about my project. I hope you guys like this video. In description there is a link of source code of this project, and I am also going to make videos how I created this project. So please hit like and subscribe my channel. Thanks. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This one is my first video after the demonstration. If you don't even seen that demonstration video, just go to the description and check out. In this video I'm going to create some part of this project, student result management system. Here you can see that the first part is the index. We having an index here, and which having two buttons, student and admin. When we click on the admin, it moves to the next page. That one is admin login. In this video I'm going to create this page and the index page. Okay, let's see how I'm going to create this. Now file, new project, Java application, click on next. We are writing a student management, student result management. We are naming the project name. Okay, click on finish system. Now we are creating a new JFrame. We are renaming as index. Now we have to put a GIF here. So right click on label, go to the properties, go to the icon. Okay, here click on this there, and just select that GIF here. Now click on OK. Okay, here you can see that our image are displayed on our screen. Now it is size according to your need. Okay, just follow. Now we need two buttons here. The first one is first let me put button here. Now here we have to write a student. Here we have to write admin. Okay, now we have to, when we click on admin button, it moves to the login page. So we have to create new JFrame here. So we are writing admin index here, renaming as admin index. Okay, now again we are here. Let's go to this, right click on admin, go to the event action performed. Here we have to write set visual false and new admin index dot set visible. Okay, true. Okay, for the button one we are also writing similar code. Okay, here we are going to write it, but here we are change admin student, and we also have to create a JFrame of same name. Okay, student index. Okay, now okay, now we have to design login page for admin. Here we have to put a icon, set as 700 and 400 here. Now we have to put an image first here. Now properties, icon, user. Okay, close. remove that label here from here, decrease this size. Okay, now we need two more labels for username and password, and we also need two text fields here. Okay, text field one more, and a button to submit, and we also need a button to go to the back at index page. Let's, yeah, just follow me. Yeah, now edit username here, password, delete this text, delete this one, and edit as login, and there's also a button back here. When we click on this back button, then it goes to the first page, this one page. Okay, now we have to put border and color. So for that we have to first change layout, absolute layout, and after that we are placing a panel here. Okay, on our sorry, here, right click on this, go to the properties. Here we are selecting colors. Okay, we also have border, titled border. Here we are writing tab border, like we are writing welcome admin. Okay, we are red. Okay, now we are also having border, this one line border. Here we are increasing the thickness, we are setting as 6, and also color, and directly write for the red color 255. Okay, now click on OK, close. Sorry, increase welcome admin should be more big, so that here we are changing the design, bold italic, it's 24. Okay, now it's look great. You can place anywhere. Now we have to code on login. When it click on login, then it matches username and password. So let's write the code for this. Okay, oh, sorry, I just take text field. It should be password field. Okay, so that it could be hidden. Delete this, let's remove it. Now we are going to write the codes. Event action perform. Here string username j text 1 dot get text string password j j password dot get text. Now if username dot equals be admin, okay, admin, and password dot equals pass, okay, then it, otherwise else it shows some error. That one is j, let's see, dot show message here, and we are writing showing the message that username name and password is incorrect, okay. Now here we are also creating a JFrame that when user is successfully log in, then new page will be admin home, okay. Now here just again move to the same page. Here we are setting set visible false. It means this one page going to be height new admin home dot set visibles show, okay. Now it's time to run this part of project, okay. Now when we click to the admin, it moves to the next page. Here you can see that here we are writing admin, password is pass, here login. Then you can see that we move to the next page, okay. This is all about the first part of my project. In next video I'm going to explain you more about my project. I hope you guys like my video, so please hit like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In the last video I just created an index which having a student and admin button. When we click on the admin, it moves to the next page where admin have to log in here, like admin and password. When he or she click on the login, and it moves to the next page, admin home. In this video I'm going to create a navigator and multiple fields, okay. So let's see where there's admin home here. When the login successfully, then it moves to this page. So let's start code here, 700 450, okay. Now you first need a panel here, increase the size, place all over, and change the color sorry, color, this one, okay. Sorry, one is for background color, okay. Now we again putting a panel here for the navigator which having multiple buttons, so that admin can switch, okay. We need 4 buttons here, 1 2 3, and last one is 4, and there is also an button for logout. Okay, now the text logout. Okay, now for the first button, that one is used for add new students. Okay, for the next one is for to insert new results result. Okay, and next one is for registered student, how many students are registered in our database. Okay, and the last one here to see all the results, student result. Okay, okay, make them equal. Just follow the steps so that it look attractive. Okay, so when admin log in, then it could be the add new student option. So for this we are changing its color to the red, so that okay, and we also increasing the to the bold, and it's 14. Okay, and we are also increasing the size of each one, but we are not changing the color. Okay, 14 bold. Okay, as it is, do the same thing for the every button. Register student. Okay, bold 14. Click on OK. Close it. And just also increase so that you can see that options. Okay. Now we change this panel color to the any color you want. Background, click on background and selecting color green. Okay, okay, now we have to create a form here, just like a form. First renaming as course name. For that we are using a combo box here. You can put many options here, but I am just putting a BTech. Is this all? Tech. Okay. Course name. The next level is for branch. Branch name. We also needed combo box. Here it is. Okay. Branch slides. And the next one is for roll number. Roll number. For the next level is for name, and we're again using next name. After that, gender. Okay, and the next level, oh sorry, rename as gender. Okay, and the last one is father name. Now we have to put a text field for the roll number. We also use a text field for name, and we are using combo box for gender here, and for father name we are also going to put text field. Okay, now increase the size of each one. Sorry, 150. Edit the text, remove it. One 50. Edit text, remove this one also. This one. Also increase this 150. Edit text, remove this one also. Just make them similar. For the gender, we have to write male, female, and other. Male, female, others. Okay. Click on close. For the subjects properties, here we have to write just delete all civil, CSE, IT, electrical, electrical, mechanical. Okay, click on OK, close. Here our form is completed, and we have to put buttons here. The first one button for save. Okay, create. Okay, now we have to write the codes. When it click to the create, then it takes all field data and going to be saved in our database. So we also have to create a database, and also going to create a table. Let's see. First we have to create a database. Let's see. Okay, create database. Here we are creating a database SRM. Okay, now we have to create a table. Create table student, because we are storing the data of a student here. First we are going to store roll number, care, we are taking. After that we are also declaring as primary key, because roll number is not same for the FD student. And after that we are having course care, we are taking 20. Okay, for branch care we are also taking 20. Okay, and for the name care 100. Okay, and for the gender, varchar trend her, and last one is father name varchar 100. Now, oh sorry, we are not using here database, using SRM. Okay, now here we are writing this code. Okay, you can see our database, our table has been created, the student name of that table. Here you can see that. Okay, now it's time to go to the right click on create button, go to the event action performed. Okay, click on here. Here we have to go to here we have to write the codes to insert data string codes. Okay, codes string j combo 1 dot get selected item, selected item. Okay, again we have to write the same code. This time we are writing for branch j combo box 2 dot get selected item. Here string roll number j text field 1 dot get text. Okay, after that we have to take string name j text field 2 dot get text. After that we have to take gender from combo box, gender string j combo box 3 dot get selected items. Okay, and the last one is father's name, father name plus j text field 3 dot get text. Okay, we are also using MySQL, so we have to import java.sql. Okay, and also not added in libraries, so first we have to add the here click on add library here, and here you have to add MySQL JDBC driver. We are using MySQL database here, that's why. Okay, now right here try catch block here, catch, because MySQL always, not always, but it's generate exceptions. Here we have to load the driver first, class dot for name, and here we have to write com that MySQL dot jdbc dot driver. Okay, after that we have to create a connection con driver manager dot get connection. Okay, Here we have to write URL and comma password, username, and the last one is password. We are writing password of MySQL, and here the default username of MySQL, and we have to write link JDBC MySQL local host 3306. Here our database name is SRM. Okay, now we have to create a statement st con dot create statement. Okay, after that we have to execute query at st dot execute update, because we are changing in our database. Okay, let's write code here. Insert into student. We are writing course branch roll number name gender father name. Okay, values, we are taking values from different string. Okay, here we have to write codes plus course branch. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In the last video I just created add new student part of the project. If you don't even seen that part of the project, go to the description and check out. In this video I'm going to create insert new student part. So let's see. First we need to create a JFrame here. Right click on here and JFrame. Rename as insert new result. Okay, click on finish. Yeah, increase the size of this. So where I am using 700 450. Click on OK. Just remove this. Now we are putting a panel on this. Okay, first and we are going to change this color, this one. Okay, now we need our navigator. So I am just copying this navigator from my last. Okay, we are going to paste this. Okay, now we have to change that color of this one. Okay, to red. Yeah, just remove this to default, close. Now we also have to change the color to the black, because this one is insert new result panel JFrame. Okay, just reset to the default and close. Now we need to insert data, so we are creating a form here. Okay, so that we so that admin can use this to insert new new result. Okay, number, roll number. Next one is physics 1. Okay, next level is chemistry. Next level is mathematics 1. Okay, the next level is edit text here, electrical engineering. Okay, and the last one is electronics engineering. Okay, electronic engineering. Okay, now we need text fields here. Text field 1, text field 2, text field 3, text field 4, text field 5, text field, and the last one is 6. Or delete all the text from this. Okay, increase the size of this to the 75. Okay, increase the size of each one. We also need a button, so after using this, now we need a button here, so we are putting a button, and this one is for save. That will go and save. Okay, this is all about our front end. Here the administrator come and enter the roll number of registered student and marks obtained by the student. He write here, and we click on save. It go to our database. Okay, and store there. Okay, and after that we are going to display that data to the students. So we have to insert that data. So first we need to create a table. Okay, we already create our database SRM. So right now we have to create a table result. Okay, now the first one is roll number. Okay, yeah, 15 here we are taking, and we are also taking as a primary key because roll number should be not be unique. Okay, after that physics here we are taking it as 3. Okay, that's chemistry that 3. Yeah, after that math care 3. Okay, electrical care 3, and the last column is electronics, sorry, electronic care 3. Okay, check out physics, chemistry, math, electrical, electronics. Okay, click on enter. Yeah, here you can see that our table has been created. Check out here the description. You can see the description. This one is primary key, roll number is primary key, and we're having all the subjects name. Now we have to write the codes when the user click on the save button. So we have to perform action here. First we need to import java.sql.asterisk. Okay. After that, we have to write code. So string roll number to j text field. Sorry, text field 1 dot get text 1. After this, string regex j text 2 dot get text to string chemistry j text 3 dot get text. Okay, string after this string math j text field4 dot get text. Okay, string elliptical j text field5 dot get text here. Okay, so last one is string electronic. Okay, j text 6 dot get text. Okay, now we have to write try catch block, because the SQL codes can write exceptions, so that now we have to first load the class for just remove this roll number. We have to late com dot mysql dot jdbc dot driver. Okay, after that we have to create a connection con driver manager dot get connection. Okay, now here we are writing the URL, so jdbc dot mysql local host 3306. Here we are writing our database name srm. Okay, after that we have to write the default username. If you change the username, then you have to write that name. Okay, I do not change my username, so that one is root. And after that you have to write the password, and after that you have to create a statement. Okay, st con dot, we basically create statement. Okay, after the creating a statement, we have to first check that whether that roll number is exist in our database or not. So first we need to retrieve that data. Okay, so result set here rs equals to st dot execute query. Okay, select star from student where roll number is you have to write roll number. Okay, if rs.next exists, then we are going to insert that data in our database. Execute, update here, st.execute, update. Okay, ex. Okay, here we have to write execute. Great. Okay, now insert into result. So roll number, physics, chemistry, math, electrical, electronic. So the values for these fields are, here we have to write first roll number, physics, okay. After physics we have to write chemistry, CHE, and after chemistry we have to write math. Okay, after math we have to write electrical. Okay, at the end we have to write electronics here. Okay, now we also have to show message that you are successfully updated your data. So we are using the option pan.show message value null, and here we are going to write successfully updated. Fully updated. Okay, and we have to set visibles for this. Set visible false. Okay, false, and new set visible is same page, in this page, so that old data which are in our fields get removed. Okay, simple word we are refreshing. If it does not having that roll number in database, so that we need to first register that user. So we are showing message that here. Okay, wait, here we are writing that roll number does not exist in our database. Roll number does not exist in our database. Okay, now if something else happen, so then we are going to show a message like connection not created and something like that. So for that we are going to write message here, connection error. Okay, now time to run this project. Click on run file. Here, let me check out the user which is present in our database. User, you can say the student 1101. First, we are going to enter wrong roll number here 100 100. 50 marks, 60, 42, 45, 45. Okay, when we click on save, you can see roll number does not exist in our database. Okay, so you can see here the data is not refreshed, so we have to write some codes here. Just copy the same code. Just copy this here. Okay, so let me cut this bullet one. Run 5. Okay, now we again going to enter wrong roll number here. 40, 45, 45, 25, 40. Let me click on save. Roll number does not exist in our data. Okay, now you can see that our old data has been also removed from these fields. Now we are going to write correct roll number. Okay, 100, 10001. Okay, after that we have 50, 60, 90, 70, 35. Okay, when we click on save button, successfully updated. Let me check on in our database. Right result. Okay, here you can see that roll number 1 0001 50 60 90 and 35 inserted. So this is all about this video. In next video I'm going to show you how to use registered student all student result. I will show you how I just created this part of the project. I hope you guys like this video, so please hit like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In the last video I just explained you about insert new result part. If you don't seen that video, just go to the description and check out that video. Okay, in this video I'm going to explain you about how I just created registered student part and all student results. So let's see. Okay, first we need to create a new JFrame here. Okay, registered student. Okay, now we are going to increase the size of this one. So here we are setting as 700 and 450. Now we are going to copy this navigator here, or you can say that panel here from our last video. Okay, now here we have put a table. Where's table? Yeah. Okay, now resize it according to this. Now right click on this and event component and component. So okay, here we are going to write the codes, but before writing the codes, first we need to import or add in our library a jar. That one is rs2 xml. You can directly go to the Google and search by this name and download that file. I already downloaded and I'm going to add it in our library. Okay, here you can see that this one is added in our library rs2 xml. Okay, now first we are going to import here. First we are going to import import java.sql. Okay, Now we are going to import net dot and not swell dot util. Now here we are going to write the codes for it. Let's see. So first we need to try catch. Yeah. Driver class dot for name. We're doing exceptions. So first we are going to write catch. Yeah. Exception. Now we are here. We are going to load driver jdbc dot driver. After that we are going to create connection connection on driver manager dot get okay. Here we have to jdbc MySQL localhost 3306. Here we are going to write the srm, our database name. After that we are writing username of MySQL, and after at the end we are writing password of MySQL. After that we have to create statement dot con dot create statement. Okay. Driver manager connection something. Here we have to write a manager. Okay. After creating a statement, we using result set rs st dot execute query. Here we are going to write select SQL query select from student. Okay. At the end and jtable one dot set model and db util dot result set model rs. Okay. Now we have to j option. If something went wrong, then show message that connection null. Right, connection error okay. And at the end jtable dot set enable for false. Okay. Now it's time to run file. Just wait for a few seconds. That's not working. Yeah, here you can see that our data is on our all the registered students are on here. Basically we are in registered student, so we also need to change the color. First here right click on this properties. Here I need to change the color to the red. Okay, and just remove, set as black in this one field, default. Okay, okay, full screen. This is all about registration student. Okay, now we are going to create a new JFrame for all student registered, all student result, all students result. Okay, we have to do the same thing like previous one. Here we are also writing 450, closing this all, and first we have to write event component show. Okay, but we are going to write this code at the end. Now we are putting here the same panel, copy and put it here. I'll just paste again. Oh, sorry. 450. Copy this one and paste here. Now we are going to put a table here. Range according to this, size according to our JFrame, and changing the color. Okay, change this one is to red. And remove register student color. Reset to default. Okay. Now again we have to write the same code for that. First we need to import java.sql strip and all. We can directly copy it from the next previous. Okay. And we are also going to copy the same code from here, last page, copy it from and paste here. Okay, here you have to write only result. Now it's time to run this file. Wait for a few seconds, it's loading. Now here you can see that the roll number, physics, chemistry, math, electronics, electrical result here of this student. But you can see that when we click on the different register student, insert, add, and this button are not working. So for you have to go to the each JFrame, and there you have to write the codes for the each part, like for logout and for this event action performed. Here you have to write set visible false and new page name like register student dot set visible true. Okay, again go to there, and for this event we have to write action performed. Just copy this, paste here, and here you have to change the name of insert new visuals, and for all new student here event action performed. event action performed, admin, admin, home. Okay. In the same way, you also have to write the code for the all. Here you also write the code here in this every panel, every JFrame. You have to write the code. Okay. In the same way, you have to write by yourself. Okay. Here we are writing for the registered student. Okay. False registered student here. Okay. The next one is for the all student result. Action performed. Click on this. Action performed. All student result. And here we have to write add insert new result. Okay. And the same way we also have to write in this action performed. We have to write registered student. In the same way we also have to write for this part, so write by yourself. So I just write down all the parts, so let's run. Here you can see that roll number 1 registered student. When you click on registered student, you can see the details of registered student marks. Let's add a new roll number here, 10002, setting as IT and naming as Amit Kumar, email Anil Kumar here, and you click on create. You can see that successfully updated. Click on OK. Let's check out that one is inserted our database or not. Sorry, you can directly see it from here, registered student. Here you can see that 10002. We don't need to go to in our database. Directly see here, and you can see that all student result here. You cannot see the 10002 because we are not inserted the result of that student. So here we are going to insert new result here, 70, 55, 60, 55. Okay, and we click on save, and when we go to the all student result, here you can see that data has been inserted. Okay, when we click on logout, it moves to the our admin index page, that here, and we click on back button, it moves to the index page. And it is all about admin page. In next video I'm going to create all about a student page, so it's all about admin page. So thank you. So if you like my videos, so please hit like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. I just completed the admin module part. So in this video I'm going to create for the student module. So we are moving to the student index here. We already created the JFrame for this, so we are ready to start working here. It's 450. Okay, now we are putting a panel on it that we can change the put some design on it. Let's start here. Now we are changing the color as well as background. Here we are choosing this one, and here we are also choosing this one. Okay, now it's time to choose border. We are welcome student. Okay, we are also increasing the size to bold italic 24, and we are also changing this line border We are increasing the size to 6, and we are also going to change this to the rate. Okay, click on OK. Okay, this color is not changed. We're also going to change this color to the rate. Click on OK. Now it's look great. Here we need a logo of university, so we are going to use icon here. Icon, just click on icon, import to the project. Just run search for that. Folder 3 logo. Finish. Okay. Close. Now it's time to remove label. Now here we are again taking another label. Enter roll number. We're increasing the size of this to 18, bold. Okay, close. Now we also need a text field, sorry, so that a student come here and enter their roll number. Okay, and we also need two buttons here for search. Sorry, I just did label. We need to search, and for another one is for back. Search, back. Okay, this is all about a front end. It's time to code at back end. So right click on this event action performed. Here you have to write, sorry, okay, you have to write try catch exception. Now we have to write class.forName name com.mysql.jdpc.driver. Okay, after that we are going to create connection on equals to driver manager dot get connection. Here we have to write the URL jdbc mysql local host 3306 srm root 1. Here we have to write the password of MySQL. Okay, after the critical connection we have to write the statement or importing. We also have to import. Let's import first. Just this. Statement st
dot create statement. Now we have to use result set to check that the roll number exists in our database or not. Okay, to execute query here, and here at first we have to take roll number that one is in our text field, one j text field one dot get txt here. After that here we have to use joins here, select star from student inner join result where student dot roll number should equals to and roll number and result dot roll number equals to roll number. Okay, now after writing this, if rs dot next then we send from this frame to another frame. So we also have to create a new JFrame. Like we are creating a new JFrame student, frame naming the student home. Okay, finish. And here we are setting visuals. Set visual. Yeah, first we have to write this. Now visual false and new. Here we have a student home dot set visual. Again visual true. So here we also have to send data of roll number from this page to a student home. So here we also writing roll number, but it will gives error because in the student home it is not having a parameterized constructor in it. So you can see that. So we have to create here to accept that data. Let's create here public student home. Here write string roll number. Okay. So it will give. Here you can see that our error has been removed. Now here we are writing else j option. It will give show message that if it is not found, then it means the roll number is incorrect. Roll number. Okay, if something different occur, it means something error in our connection. Okay, so connection error. Okay, now let's run this part of the project. Okay, we're writing 10001. When we search on it, you can see that it moved to the next page. Let's run again, and here we are writing wrong roll number 100. It's an incorrect roll number. Okay, uh, it's all about a student index. Now it's time to move in on a student home. Here we are also going to design this. Let's write 700, 450. Okay, now we have to put, now let's put a panel on it here. Okay, change the color of this, click on OK, close, and then we are going to change some border here, titled border. Okay, result, color we are taking as red. Okay, now it's bold italic, it should be 24. Click on OK, and we're also placing this border. Here is the line border, and we're also choosing the color red here, and 6. Okay, okay, close. Now we have to place label here first label here. Okay, editing, here we are displaying course name, and after the course name we are seeing here okay, branch name. Okay, and we are also putting text field here. Now text field here, she says 200. Okay, the text, remove this, now again we are putting label here, the text, here name, putting here label, the text, roll number. Okay, text area here 201. Edit text, remove this, and again we are putting here another text field, remove this text field here. Okay, now again we are putting label here, button label here, edit text, gender, and again label, father name. Okay, gender, text field again, putting here, edit text, remove this, text field here again. Now editing text. Now you can see that the student details are displayed here. You can display here. Now we are putting panel here for result purpose. Yeah. Now we are going to pick different subject name here by using label. We need 5 label. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. At the end, we need also total marks label. So just follow me. Total here. Writing and taking more labels here. At the end, marks obtained. Okay. We are also putting labels at different places. Just follow me. Okay. At the end, we are need text field here. Okay, text field 1, text field 3, text field 9, 10, 11, sorry, 11, text field 12. Okay. Now it's time to rename H1. We have first H physics 6 1. Okay, and the next is chemistry, mathematics. Okay, the next one is electrical engineer, electronics engineer. Okay, and at the end, total marks we can calculate. Marks. Okay, here we have total marks subject wise. D level, passing marks, and marks obtained. Obtained. Okay, arranged in a similar way so that it could be look great. Good. Now in every we have to write 100. So write, and here we have to write 30 marks. Okay. In same way we are going to write this too, and we are going to edit this text. Just wait. Here you can see that I just arranged this. So we also need a split pan. Sorry, split pan, not. Uh, so we also need a text field which display that the student is pass or not. Okay, here, and we also need a button here to back. In simple way, you can say that log out. Okay, edit, back, send to high text. Sorry, edit now, and here we need a line. We are going to split pan here. No, it should not help. So you can see this is all about the front end. So it's time to write the codes in the backend. So here first we are setting the JText field 4 to setting text roll number here. Okay, and we have to write codes for this event so here. Okay, so we have to reset it again in same position. Now here we are going to write the codes for now string. Here we are checking the roll number again. String roll number. Here JText field 4 got get txt. Okay, and after that we are writing try catch UTCH C not should be in capital. Okay, exception E, and after that we are going to write again exception. Here class dot for name. Again we are writing the same code, so I'm directly going to copy this part of the code, and we also need the same query, so that we are going to directly copy from the last code. Okay, let's remove this. Okay, try catch, and here if condition, and we are writing the same query. Select star from student inner join result where student dot roll number and result dot roll number. Okay, here we are getting the we are setting the JX field 1 dot set text rs dot get txt to here. In same way we are going to take txt field 2 and dot set txt, and here we are going to write rs dot get string 3. Just copy here get text. Let's not get a string here. Right here, string. Now it's time to copy this multiple time. Okay. Now here we have to write 357356. Okay, 4 already set, so we are not going to set 4. Okay, 2 3 4 5 here and the 6 here. Okay, now here we are going to write 7 8 9, and here we are going to write 10 11 10 11, and here we have to write 8 9 10 11 and 12 here. Okay, now when we run this code here, it will not show anything. Just move to this page and run file 10001 and search. Here you can see that you can see the details of the student, that is student 10001, and marks obtained by the student, but you cannot see the total marks, and the student is pass or fail. And you can see that this one is also editable. So we are going to remove this all, and we are going to send data that pass or fail and total marks obtained all in this. So let's write code for this here. Basically we are converting the string value into parse s1 subject to 1 equals to integer dot parse int jtext field 7 here, something we went wrong. Parse, here we have to write get text. Okay, now it's right. Same way we are going to take for s2 s3 subject 4 subject 5. Okay, 7 8 9 10 and 11. Okay, now we are adding this result into single one, result s1 plus s2 plus s3 plus s4 plus s5 here. Okay, now here we are converting that value in the string form. String s equals to string dot value of, here we are writing result here. Okay, after that we are setting the value, this value text field to 12. Okay, dot set text f, yes. Okay, now we have to check that any subject has less than 30 marks, okay, or not. So here we are testing s2 30, s3 30, Put to right and operator. S4 less than 30, S5 S5 less than 30. If this one condition satisfied, it means that a student is failed. So we have to write here for the 13 dot set txt fail. Okay, else that a student is pass. Now, okay, j text 13 dot set text pass. Okay, now at the end, if something went wrong, then it should be showing that error message, the connection problem. Okay, connection error, sorry, error. And we also have to disable so that user student cannot change our value. So set editable false. So for the average, just need to write this 3, 4, 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Copy again. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and last one is 13. 13. Okay, then our project is completed. Now it's time to check it out on this project. So we are moving to the index. Okay, now run file here. Now first we are going to admin, and here we have to uh, going to add a student which having less than 30 marks. Here we are writing Subham name, sorry, roll number. This one is roll number 3. Shubham mail Amit here, and we create. Okay, successfully created. Insert detail 10003, 10003, 29, 29, 30, 40, 55, 50. Let's click on save. Okay, here you can see that you can see the details of that user, and here you can see that the result of the student here. Now when you click on logout, it moves to the admin login page, and when you click on back, it moves to the index page. Now it's time to move in a student page. Here you are going to write 003. When you click on search, it's going to be in our database and check out that this roll number is exist in our database or not. Let's see here. Here you can see that the student is failed because he did not obtain 30 marks in 2 subjects. So, or you can also see the details of each user here. So this is all about my project, student result management system. I hope you guys like my videos, so please hit like and subscribe my channel, and I'm also going to create more projects. So stay tuned with us. Thank you.